I will include this into whatever video this is, whatever company this is, whatever product this is, because I have no idea. I have never in my life gotten anything in a box like this. It's like they wrapped up the box in one of those white bags, but then they've taped the whole entire thing. It's not tape though, really. I don't know. Never ever have I gotten anything like this. So I'm going to bust into it right now and see what it is, and then maybe I'll just record the video immediately. I just don't want to take all the time to do it on camera, you know. Let's see what it is. So I'm back, and I figured out what it was once I opened it up, and it makes perfect sense. I couldn't figure out what was coming, but this is something a little different. Not a diamond painting. That's why it's in this nice little box. So they packaged it up really well, right? So they did contact me and ask me if I wanted to show an item. And I was like, yeah, sure. It's craft supplies, different craft supplies. They had a certain list of things that I could choose from, but they had all kinds of stuff. Markers and paints, and I think they had a few diamond paintings, and they had, oh my gosh, they had some latch hook. They just had a huge variety of artsy craftsy things. So the name of the company is, I believe, is Grabby. That's what I would say, is Grabby. And this came, I don't know, it took maybe 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks to get here. But let's look at it and I'll show you what I got, okay? It comes very nicely packaged. Like we already saw the outer packaging, and then it's bubble wrapped, comes in a case. All right, let's just get rid of all of that for now. I don't think I'll need that. Has a card. Okay, so look, they have lots of coloring. Color to win $50. Color this card, post it on your Instagram, and tag the company, Grabby Official, and then tag a bestie. There's a 12% off code. I suppose you can use that if you would like. I don't know why you couldn't, but you could. Oh, look it. Okay, wow. May the art be with you. That would be fun. Just color this and then put it on Instagram. Huh, for a chance to win $50. Nice. Says nice to meet you. All right, cool. That's fun. Oh, more branding here on the package. Now it's in plastic. All right, so let's get it out. Comes in this nice zippered case, which is very nice. I'll show you what we have. You'll be surprised. Do you think it's pens, pencils, markers, something like that? No, it's not. Look what it is. It is paint brushes. It is, I think we have an extra protector. This is like a little plastic tube. As you can tell, they're on all of the brushes. So that's an extra one, because mine all have a little protective tube. So look, here's a little handle. You can put the little handle out like that. Do these come out? It seems to be Velcroed. Yeah, they could come out if you wanted them to. Interesting. Or they come, let's see, hang on, we're gonna make noise. Okay, so they don't really come out, but they can come up like this. I'm not certain why you would want them to come up like that, but they do. They can come out like that, and it all zips in here. So isn't that a nice little case? And I love how it's all organized in my extra little plastic tube. All right, well, let's look at this. Let's look at a couple. So this is why I got these, because first of all, they have this nice wooden handle. Oh, they have a number. I suppose that's a size. I don't know anything about paintbrushes really. But look at, they have like 3 indents for your fingers, like grippy places. And I like that because that is how I would hold them, you know? It's like having a little pencil grip on there. I love that. That's how I would want to hold my paintbrush, you know? All right, so they got the sleeve, and they have different size tips is my guess, right? There's a little tiny one. And you got to put it back in there, get it back in that little tube. All right, and then they just slide right in here, nice and neat, after you get them all cleaned up. All right, so what do we have? Let's see, what do all the numbers say on them? Let's see, 3. Does anybody know what this means? 3 over 0, 2, because that's different. That's a 2 over 0. I don't know. It's kind of like crochet hooks or something. 5 over 0. What's this one? 0. 1. What's this? That's another 2 over 0. So there's 2 of those. Those appear to be the same. Another 3 over 0. Are these the same on both sides? I don't know. I really don't know. We might have 2 of each or something. That's a 1. That's what it's looking like. It's looking like we have 2 of each. Like 1 on each side. That's a 2 as well. Okay, that's what I think we have. Yeah. All right, so let's see. What is a 0? Is a 0 smaller? Oh, I don't think that's supposed to be that way, is it? Did it get bent? Or is it bent on purpose? I don't know. Anybody else bent? Let's see. No, I don't think so. I think he got bent. Whoops. He got bent a little. So we have larger ones. That's a 2. Maybe 2 is a bigger one. These are called detailing brushes. So they're not supposed to be a big, large, fat bristle brush. They're for detailing and small spots. And that's what, you know, I thought that was cool about them. So here's a 1. See, just a few little hairs on there. So yeah, this is kind of cool. I have gotten a few things that are paint by number recently, and I thought, you know, why not? Why not? Oh, look at that one's longer though. It still says 2, but it's really long. It's longer than the other one was, isn't it? The bristles. I don't know. But fun, and it's a different color. So maybe these are a little different on this side. I don't know. What is this? What? Oh, look. He didn't have a thing. That's where my little plastic tube goes. I thought he had one. Okay, look at that. Look how many little hairs are on there. Holy cow, that's for little tiny, tiny spaces, right? I thought he had a little tubey on there, but I guess not. He doesn't want to stay on there. Stir. All right, there we go. Anyhow, they're pretty cool. I'm gonna have to try them out. All right. Let me know what you think. These are really nice. Like I said, I got something on me. I love the triangle hold, the pencil grip type hold. See, look how long those are. Much longer than what these were. So I think they are different on each side. Okay. Well, they're pretty cool. I don't think the little tubes are gonna stay on very well. Look, that one's coming off. And maybe they're not intended to stay on there, you know, for a long time. Maybe it was just for shipping purposes, but there we go. Nice. What do you think? $24.99. All right. But, you know, hey, I just showed you. You could probably get 12% off if you like them. And I will link them below so that you can check them out. And, man, they had so much stuff on their site, you guys. So much arts and crafts. It was just like, wow. I just look, you could look and look and look and look, right? All kinds of stuff. So it might be worth it just to go check out the company and see if there's something else there besides these. You know, if you're not into painting, they had all kinds of things. All right. All right. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and go check them out. I will put the link below so you can find the store and go back and get that coupon if you want. Okay. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day, everybody.